Hey, it's Derek Jones. Thanks for joining me on my channel again today. Really appreciate it. Today I'm going to show you one of the best ways to break down a pallet to get usable lumber. I've tried it all, sawzall, hammer, pry bar. They all have their place, but the problem with when you're using pressure to pop a pallet apart is you tend to crack the wood, you tend to break the wood. And if you're like me and you're trying to get usable lumber, that's just not an option. So let me show you how I do it. Before we get started, do me a favor and give me a like, and if you watch this channel a lot, please subscribe. It really helps us out. And with that, the first thing you're going to need is a plug cutter set. These are available in my link below, and you want one that is just slightly bigger than the nails that are used to secure the pallet. So you mount it on your drill, and you want to go slightly larger than the head of the nail you're trying to extract. Then you're just going to take the plug cutter and you want to line it up over where the nail is.
And we'll do the next one.
And we'll do the next one. We're just going to do that. Now, if you wanted to, get a solid piece this size, you would just go up a size and cut a plug out, glue it in, sand it flat, but I don't need that. The advantage here is it doesn't split the wood like a pry bar or hammer does, or a sawzall where you have to remove stuff. Getting it started can be a little bit of a hassle because you don't want to hit. Once you get it through, it ain't too bad. Take that one off. And you still got to use your hammer to get these out of here. So it took about 5 minutes, and the great thing is towards the end, a lot of the boards you could just kind of pull apart because there was nothing holding them together. Now, there are definitely faster ways to break down a pallet, but I haven't found a way to break down pallets that leaves you as much usable wood. So that's why I do it this way, and I totally recommend it if you're trying to actually salvage the wood. I mean, if you're just trying to smash a pallet, you can do that with a sledgehammer or whatever, but this takes it apart pretty fast, and you have good quality wood without a lot of cracks. So thanks for doing me a favor, and again, please subscribe. It helps us out, and I'll see you next time.